Hello and welcome to lesson number 7 from your 7-day Organize Your Mind challenge. I'm so proud of you and I'm thrilled to help you today to be able to set a routine of having a weekly review. Let's just think about how we handle other things in our lives that are routines that need to be done regularly. Like think about your laundry. About once a week, most likely, you're checking your laundry, making sure you have enough clean clothes to get you through the week. And about every week, you probably look at your refrigerator and see, I need to go to the grocery store? How are things doing? Does something need to be thrown out, right? You probably also are looking at your car. Do I need more gas? Is there any maintenance I need to do to make sure I can drive and get where I need to go? So just like you take care of your laundry and your refrigerator and your car, you want to be able to do a weekly review and an assessment of how your mind is doing. Are we keeping our minds organized? Now, most people don't do this, and that's why they end up with piles and piles of clutter and feelings of overwhelm and the desire to just binge watch movies all day because they feel like, oh, there's way too much to do. So instead, what I challenge you to do for day 7 is to create a recurring event on your calendar called your weekly review. Now, if it doesn't happen at that exact time, that's okay. There's some flexibility, just like there's flexibility with laundry and grocery shopping, getting gas and things like that. But you want to think about a time that would make sense for you. Like, oh, maybe I would want to do this on a Friday morning. Maybe my weekly meetings and my errands and my appointments have kind of settled down by then, and that's a good day for me to review and prepare for the weekend. Or maybe you might want to take a Sunday afternoon. Maybe that's a time when you can just relax and you can get everything out. And what you're going to do during that weekly review is go through all the things we've covered in the first lessons. Look at your calendar, past and upcoming. Look at those routines. Look at your projects list. Look at your next actions. And just make sure everything is clean and current, up to date, and that you feel like, oh, I can do it. I feel really good this week. Now, when you're driving a car, you get an indicator that your gas is empty. When you go to your closet and you don't have any clean clothes to wear, that's an indicator you need to do laundry. When you're hungry and you go to the fridge and there's nothing to eat, yes, that's an indicator you need to go to the grocery store. So you might be asking, well, what's an indicator that I need to do a weekly review? The indicator is your stress level. If you notice that your mind is spinning because, oh, I have something that's coming up in a few days, or, oh, I forgot to follow up on that task from the meeting yesterday, or, oh, I've got piles of mail that I haven't processed, and you start feeling stress, then you know it's time to do a little weekly review. And you may want to do it 2 or 3 times a week, or you might have a pretty low workload and you just want to do it maybe once every 10 to 15 days. That's kind of a random number, but something like that. The goal is that when you do regular maintenance of your mind, you're going to consistently feel calm. And I can tell you, this is what has helped me. I've been doing this for more than a decade. Prior to that, I was overwhelmed most of the time. I was waking up panicked. I wasn't sleeping well at night because my brain was spinning in circles. Once I learned how to get things organized in my head, and then I was able to maintain a weekly review, generally weekly, of course, life has ups and downs, I started to feel consistently calm. And that's what made the biggest difference. Now, if you want more support, our Steps to Everyday Productivity program has that for you. We will walk you through all the steps to be able to create a solid, seamless command central. And we have an amazing community and coaches and tons of support to help you if you think, I really want this calm mind, clear computer, clear inbox, clear desk, and a way to move forward on the things that are most important for me. We're so excited you've been with us. Congratulations on completing the 7-day challenge. You can, of course, go back, review, continue to implement what you've learned. And if you want to join with us formally, we would love to have you in our Steps to Everyday Productivity program. Thanks so much. Have an amazing day.